Well, you certainly picked a good week to tune in. Based on the variety and the number of new rides on the lot this week, I would rank this as one of the best weeks we've had in maybe the last few months. We've got some new rides on the lot this week that I don't know if we've ever had, or it's certainly been a long time. And as I mentioned, these are new rides on the lot, so new that we don't even have a price yet because these rides are technically not even on the market. They won't become available until around midday Monday. You can check maplemotors.com around that time and you can get prices and all the info you want to know on all these rides you're about to see, plus 100 detailed pictures, etc. And although you're getting an early look at all the new inventory, you can see it even earlier by becoming a channel member, which gives you early access to the sneak peek videos. And those versions of the video feature the Lot Walk girls as an added bonus. To become a channel member, you can scan the QR code on your screen and follow the sign up instructions. I'll also put a link in the comments below. Let's get started. We're starting off front and center at the lot here with this 1957 Cadillac Series 62 that somebody's customized, and it's certainly been a while since we've had one of these on the lot. We're gonna pop the hood, look at the inside and out. Let's take an exclusive first look. Then moving on down the line, right next door to the 57 Caddy is this 1966 Chevy Chevelle. Let's take a closer look. Continuing down this row, another 1966 Chevy Chevelle. You got your choice of 66 Chevelles this week. Let's take a closer look. And finishing off this row, we got a 72 Pontiac GTO Le Mans. Let's take a look inside and out. Moving over to the right side of the lot, you're looking at a 1957 Chevy Bel Air. Let's take an exclusive first look. And we didn't forget about you truck guys. There's a couple of new trucks on the lot this week. The first one is this 1961 Chevy 3100. Next up, I would say this is one of the highlights of the week, a 1960 Chevy Corvette convertible. Now, I know not everybody's a fan of the yellow, but I don't care what color it is. A 60 Corvette convertible is always cool. Let's take an exclusive first look. And next to the office, we got a 1966 Ford F-250. And last but certainly not least, here's a unique one, a 1979 AMC Spirit. Man, I don't remember seeing one of these on the lot, maybe ever. Let's take a closer look. And before we go, let's take a peek into the showroom. As always, let me know in the comments below which was your favorite of the week, and be sure to subscribe if you're not already so you don't miss the first look at all the new inventory before it even hits the market. You're going to see it here first. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.